Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to export designs as SVG, PNG, or JPG in Recraft. Let's get started. First, launch the Recraft app, then go to My Creations and tap your latest generated image or design. Then here tap on design that you want to export. It will open in full screen or editing mode. And look for a download arrow icon, then tap it to open the export options. Then here choose a format in exporting. Recraft lets you export the following formats. The PNG, this is for high quality images with background or transparency, while JPEG, standard image format with smaller file size. The SVG is scalable vector graphics, is great for logos, icons, or websites. Then here you can adjust the export settings, like for example the image resolution, for the transparent background, and for file size or quality. And after selecting the format, tap download or export, and file will save to your phone's gallery or downloads folder. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.